Hi, this is Heather from eMoney Advisor. Our integration with Riskalyze has been a favorite among eMoney users. Here's a few reasons why. Single sign-on, the Riskalyze risk questionnaire, and the ability to add clients' risk numbers onto the eMoney client overview page. But thanks to our latest product update, the Riskalyze integration is even better. We've simplified the process to generate a client's portfolio risk number down to just 3 easy steps. With just a few clicks, a client's portfolio information is synchronized between eMoney and Riskalyze, and their portfolio risk number is displayed directly on the eMoney client overview page. Now, you can create an accurate profile of each client's risk tolerance in minutes, build plans that better align with that profile, and help keep clients on track to meet their goals. Do more work in less time thanks to the enhanced Riskalyze integration. Check out the eMoney blog to learn more.